All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. Let's look at the weather here. Boy, I tell you what, it's in the low 40s this morning. The wind is blowing. It's been raining. We had bad storms push in Friday night. Tornadoes everywhere reported. Man, it's been raining for the last 2.5 days, and it's supposed to be raining off and on all day today. So I want to get a little painting done today, but it ain't gonna happen. Anyway, guys, this is Sunday morning, so I thought I would do a little video. I haven't done one of the model cars and coffee on Sunday morning in a while, so I thought it was time to do one. Here, just do a time and temperature check. It is, let's do the time here, 25 till 11. See, it's not morning anymore, boys. 69 degrees, 52% humidity. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I got my heater running this morning out here. It's just a little cool. All right, guys, let's get into it here. Now, you guys remember this old 41 wheelies that I built. This is the 60. I think it's a 63 release when it came out. This is an old one, guys. And you guys that have built this kit, you know what I'm talking about, man. This thing is old, and it was a little bit of a chore. So we're gonna get to that here in a minute. But first off, I got a shop card that came in from Steve over at Mac Daddy's Model Hobby. Check out that card. Isn't that cool? Desire, discipline, and determination. That's Steve's motto. Steve, I appreciate the card, dude, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description down below, so you guys go over and check him out and give him a sub and tell him olezippi sent you. Thanks, Steve. All right, guys, let's get into this. You know, in my eyes, I'm thinking this was one of my better builds and definitely one of my better paint jobs. I really like the way it came out. And hope you guys like this. I know you all remember it, so here we go, guys. All right, let me get my cat out of the way. That's my AMT cat. I like him, little bobblehead. All right, guys, this is it. I can't remember. I know it was Splash Paints, Twisted Orange, I believe it was. And then that's their Splash Paints 2K Clear over this old 41 Willys. Man, I just love the way it turned out. That orange just laid down, and I just really dig the way this car came out. For an older kit with the deck lid opening up and the hood and the doors, and those doors were a little bit of a chore, but I got them. But it turned out pretty good. Just love these old 41 Willys. Painted the headlights orange, same color as the body. I just kind of hit those with the brush. Did a little black wash on the grill, but man, best I can remember on this kit, guys, it was pretty fun to put together. I mean, you know, it had its issues, like all kits for me anyway, but I just think it turned out awesome. I just really like it. Let's pull the hood off here so you guys can see down here in the business end. There we go. I don't even remember, that's a blown Hemi that I crammed down in there, wired it. I like those little XL coils. Those really work out really well. But I really like the way that engine fit in there. It just barely fit, but I tell you what, it just looks nice down in there. And you know, I bought this kit. I was at the model car show, and I was looking for some kits, you know, the 41 wheelies, and this actually I saw one early on, but I already had that kit, and this is the only other one I saw, and it was not a sealed kit. It had already been opened, and even the bags had been opened. So I opened it up, took a look at it, and I even asked the guy about it because the box was marked full, and I went ahead and bought it, got it for a pretty good price, and turned out all right. Everything was there. But I just love the way this turned out. We put the fuel tank in the back there and the battery. I just love these old 41 wheelies. You guys know I just finished up my 41 wheelies pickup. It was painted that blue violet. I think that turned out pretty cool. But like I said, guys, I'm pretty sure, I know I was looking over my models. I think this has been my best build and my best paint job to date. And this one I did, when did I do this one? A couple years ago? Can't even remember, to tell you the truth. It's been a minute. But I just dig the looks of these 41 wheelers. I just think they have such an awesome look to them. Got the little spring-loaded hood latches there that the old 41 wheelers used. I think she came out good, guys. I was really pleased with this one when I got done with it. Man, I was just tickled pink when I shot that clear on there. That twisted orange just lit up. Turned out awesome. Guys, I think that's going to be about it. That's my Sunday morning model cars and coffee. And I think I'll put some still pictures at the end of this. So you guys, if you watch the video all the way through, you'll see some pictures at the end. All right, I'm done.